Hello, my name is Silvia Alvarez Clar, and I am the Director of Global Tree Conservation at the Morton Arboretum, where we host the Global Conservation Consortium for Oak. Oaks, genus Quercus, represent more than 430 species distributed across the Northern Hemisphere. They are ecological keystones in forests, savannas, and montane habitats. From Quercus robur in Europe to Quercus engelmannii in California and Quercus semicerrata in Asia, these trees support entire ecosystems, stabilizing soils, filtering water, sustaining pollinators and wildlife. But their future is uncertain. Recent global assessments reveal that more than 30% of oak species are threatened with extinction. Primary drivers include habitat destruction, overharvesting, invasive pests and diseases, and the accelerating impacts of climate change. The urgency is clear. Without focused, coordinated conservation, many oak species could vanish within our lifetimes.
Hi, my name is Karina Orozco. I'm a research coordinator at the Morton Arboretum, and I'm also the U.S. coordinator for the Global Conservation Consortium for Oak. The Global Conservation Consortium for Oaks, or GCCO, is a collaborative, science-based initiative led by the Morton Arboretum in collaboration with Botanic Gardens Conservation International, or BGCI. Its mission is to unite stakeholders across regions and disciplines to ensure the future of threatened oaks. We work with countless partners at Botanic Gardens, universities, indigenous communities, nonprofit organizations, local and national governments, and more to support oak conservation. The GCCO operates through a proven framework: assess, plan, act. Each principle reinforces the next, guiding a cyclical and adaptive model for effective plant conservation.
Hi, I'm Kate Good. I'm the research manager in the Global Tree Conservation Program at the Morton Arboretum. Conservation begins with rigorous assessment. The GCCO works to build a comprehensive understanding of species distribution, population status, and threats. Through collaborative fieldwork and digitized herbarium records, data are compiled to support red list assessments under IUCN standards. Species distribution modeling and gap analysis help pinpoint where conservation efforts are most needed, revealing under-collected regions, genetically underrepresented populations, and emerging threats. Yet there are still challenges. Taxonomic uncertainties, data-deficient species, and limited access to certain regions can constrain assessments. To overcome this, GCCO supports local botanists, invests in capacity building, and leverages institutional collections globally.
Hi, I'm Amy Byrd. I'm the Partnerships Manager in the Global Tree Conservation Program at the Morton Arboretum, and I also coordinate the Global Conservation Consortium for Oak. With robust assessments in place, conservation planning becomes both strategic and targeted. We developed conservation gap analyses to prioritize ex situ collections. However, collaborative planning ensures alignment between field conservation and botanical collections. The GCCO works closely with in-country partners to co-develop conservation action plans that align with regional priorities and capacity. This includes ex situ conservation strategies, such as creating genetically representative collections in living arboreta and seed banks. Planning also accounts for ecological resilience, genetic diversity, and restoration potential, ensuring collections are not only safeguarded, but also viable for reintroduction and adaptive management. Cross-institutional collaboration is key. By linking data platforms, standardizing protocols, and coordinating fieldwork, the GCCO ensures that conservation planning scales across taxa and borders.
Hello, I'm Chai Xuan Kwa, Global Tree Conservation Specialist at the Morton Arboretum.
Conservation becomes real through action. From collecting acorns in the wild to restoring native oak forests, GCCO partners put plans into practice. And globally, arboretas serve as insurance collections and platform for education and outreach. GCCO works with partners to build local capacity to monitor, manage, and propagate threatened oaks. In the face of the changing climate patterns, these actions are informed by adaptive management, responding to shifting phenology, new pests, and altered ecological baselines.
By documenting and sharing this approach, the GCCO supports other consortia in refining their own conservation pathways. Join our network, either by joining the GCCO or any of the other conservation consortia. Thank you for watching.